So this is my XC90. This is my first time doing a POV video, so I hope that you can actually hear me, because I'm just using the camera's mic. But this is Thor 2010 Volvo XC90, and we're just doing some winter driving. I'll do a better video on him soon, but it's very cold, so I just did a little bit of a walk around. We're on our way to get Mission Barbecue, but we're with Jack and his Tacoma, Ben and his Mercedes 300 TE wagon, and Jake in his press car. It's a 2020 Jeep Gladiator. And let's see, I need to set up Mission. So this is Thor 2010 Volvo XC90 V8 Executive. This has almost every feature that the executive model would have, except the ventilated seats and the massaging seats, which I don't really miss too much, just because, like, it's a car from Volvo from 2010, so I'm not expecting the wow, this guy is flying in this Civic. Oh my god. Even if I had snow tires on this car, I wouldn't drive this fast. I hate railroad crossings. Ooh, bumpy. But I've had this for about a week now, and I've loved it. I've absolutely loved it. Today is my first time with actual inclement weather, so I'm very excited about being able to drive this right now, especially in the bad weather. This thing is pretty drama-free. It just goes. There, you know, it does slip a little bit. It is on all seasons, and there is a little bit of an ice layer underneath, but other than that, it's it's smooth sailing. It just, Haldex, I think this is generation 3 Haldex. It does really well in the snow and off-road. I do plan on taking this off-road, of course. I plan on going on a few adventures with it, so I am excited for the adventures to come with this car. So since we're stopped, I guess I can go over some of the things I like about this car. So I like the wood trim, and I like the color combination of the interior. I really like it, because a lot of the other XC90s that you'll see will have a black interior, which is just a little bit too dark, and as you can see, the beige is just a lot more tolerable for me. I guess I'll turn spin control on since I'm on the road. I really do like how DSTC works on this car, especially when you're doing drifts. As soon as you stay on the gas, the car lets you slide as much as you want, but as soon as you let off, literally as soon as you let off, the car pulls you back, like it wrangles you back into safety. So, you know, it's a really good system. It's not too intrusive. It did used to bother me that you wouldn't be able to completely turn it off, but actually seeing how it works, I'm totally satisfied with it. So I do have a check engine light on. That's for 2 coil packs, and then every time I press the brake, the brake light warning pops up, and that's because I have LED brake lights on it. I do want to figure out a resistor or something to make that error message go away, because it kind of is annoying.